Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of April 3rd through the 9th in my catch-all happy planner using the SweetTPlans Pooh and Friends Easter kit. Y'all, it is already Easter. How in the world has time flown so fast? I am just shook. So this is the kit I'll be using. It comes with the deco sheet is what I got for the actual kit, and it came with these two papers. So you have the Pooh and Friends in their Easter, and then this one, and then you had add-ons that you could do. So this one and this one. So I got all four of them to make the spread extra special. And then I pulled some washi that I thought would coordinate pretty well. I have, of course, some Easter egg washi here. And it looks like this. Super cute. The colors match pretty well. The pink is a little too vibrant, but the rest of the colors match, so I thought, I might as well use it. And then I have this washi, which has got some like speckles on it. I had just got this washi, so I thought it would work well. So we're going to go ahead and go to our spread. So usually I will white out the little lines in the spine here, but I actually think that they might work pretty well with the colors in this kit. So surprisingly, I think we're going to keep it. But we're going to go ahead and put down, let's go with these boxes first. I'm thinking we're going to use this as our sidebar. If you guys saw me plan with this kit before, it was with this kind of kit. It was with the Chef It Up kit by SweetTPlans, and I did something a little different. I'm probably going to do the same thing this week because it's not only is it Easter week. If you guys saw my social media plan with me from a couple days ago, it's also the week that Tron opens up in Magic Kingdom, and it's also the week that Happily Ever After returns. So we've got a lot going on this week. So I'm going to try and keep this as beautiful and happy and simple as possible. And I think we're going to put Pooh and Eeyore right here on Thursday and Friday. And then we're going to put Tigger and Piglet over here on Wednesday and probably Tuesday. Look at, oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, I do have an appointment on Thursday that I need to track, so we're going to let go. Let go. Hold, please. There we go. We're going to put a little sticker here so I can write down the appointment. And I do have a lot of to-dos that I need to get done as well. So I think we're going to use this long box for all of my to-dos because, like I said, got a lot of them on the week. So that'll work well. Okay, let's do, this spread is going by so fast, like I'm literally almost done with it. Interesting, okay. I was gonna say, here, we'll put this pink box here, and our blue box up here. Oh my gosh, we have a purple box too. Forgot about that one. Well, we might not need it, but we can use this yellow one. Oh, the washi got stuck. Okay, we can use the yellow box though. Ah, so cute. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. I am obsessed. I love it. Okay. Now we have to add our Pooh and Friends on here. And let's see. I want Piglet right here, so it covers up the raindrops. Okay. And I want you guys over here. Yeah, we're going to put you here instead. Oh, look at that. So adorable. Well, pretty sure the spread is done. I don't think there's anything else that I can put on here. Maybe we could add some bullets. Let's see. Let's go in my reusable sticker book. I'm sure I have some for this area. I do. I have lots of bullets. So we'll go ahead and add those in here as well to help make the spread a little bit more put together, I guess. This is so crooked and it's bothering me so bad. It's still crooked. Okay, that's better. Now we can add the bullets. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Catch-All Happy Planner, and I am obsessed. It is so cute. This is adorable, and I really like adding the little touches of yellow. If you guys saw, I did decide to add the color on the spine just because the colors did go well. It just didn't feel right to me. And then I also ended up not adding the Easter egg washi tape, just again because it just didn't feel right, but you'll see it in another spread probably. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. If you guys are interested in purchasing from SweetTPlans, I will leave all of her information in the description box, her website and her Instagram, so that way if you guys are wanting to get your own kits, you can. She has a lot of cute Disney themed kits and a lot of really adorable like spring and just pretty kits. I'm obsessed. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with polymer clay, art prompt journal books, but mainly planners. So if you guys are interested in seeing all of the crafting content that I share with you guys, it will all be in the description box down below, along with links to my link tree, which has all of my PRs, codes, links to their websites, and affiliate codes and links as well. If you're interested in browsing through all of the different content that I share with you guys, I have them in different playlists down in the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already so you are notified when I post a new video and you can be inspired by all the different content that I share. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!